So 4-104, it says when you use algebra tiles, +1 is represented with the algebra tiles as a shaded small square. So that is this guy right here. It's always going to look like that. And for most problems, almost every single problem in this textbook, it's going to have a little key that tells you this. So we have shaded is positive, and then the opposite of 1, written as -1, is an open small square and is always negative. It doesn't change. So we have shaded is a +1 and not shaded is -1. So I also want to talk about, right here we have, in real life too, we have where our positive unit tile is always this navy color. And then our negative is this red color. Now, for the other tiles, negative is, or the opposite, is always going to be this red color, where it's just a regular, so in this case, this one's navy, but the other color is going to be the positive or the just that tile. But again, in our book, it looks like shaded and unshaded. So let's look at the variable x tile. So it says the variable x tile is shaded, so this guy right here, but is the number represented by the variable such as x always positive? So in other words, here is my x tile right here. Let me see here. There we go. There's my x tile. So is the number that it represents always going to be a positive number? So can x be equal to 3? Sure. Can x be equal to -3? Yes. So does this always have to be equal to a positive number or a positive value? No. The whole idea of a variable is that it can be any number. And so that's what we're going to write right here. Oh, fiddlesticks, that's not the right one. Here we go. Forgot. So right here. So again, I want to make sure that I got that question answered. So is it always positive? Nope, it's not always positive. It just depends on what x is equal to. So a variable like x is either positive or negative. A variable can be any number. That includes decimals and fractions. So x can be equivalent to any number.